Hey everyone, it's Karen, and in this video you'll get a way to go from $0 to $5,000 with affiliate marketing. So if you need to make extra money to make ends meet, or a side hustle just to make your life better, this video is for you. We're gonna go over a profitable niche, one that you probably have never thought about, and exactly how you promote it. But make sure you stick around until the end, because I'm gonna share with you a secret where you can double or even triple your income with this method. So let's go ahead and get started right now. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I'm about to explain to you works. I found this case study, and here's a check from this person's earning with this method. He promoted these products with these two methods, but I'm going to share with you the one that I feel to be easier method. The other one is blogging, which I feel can be a lot harder and longer than the method that I'm going to explain to you. So what is the niche? It's numerology, the branch of knowledge that deals with the occult significance of numbers. And this topic is searched 301,000 times a month with low competition. That's why I picked this niche. Then you're gonna go to ClickBank Marketplace and search numerology. So let's go here, just go to the marketplace and search numerology. And you can see there's 3 products that come up that you can promote. This top one will give you around $31 per average sale, and the gravity is 59. The second one is around $15 per sale. The gravity is 61. Now this third one here is actually what this person promoted, and you do have to get pre-approved for this. So you'll have to go to this page right here and get approved as an affiliate, but it shouldn't be difficult to do. So after you pick one of those products, you're going to establish a list of keywords and topics to create content around. So you can go to Google Keyword Planner, you can go to Google, use the alphabet method, and YouTube, use the alphabet method, and go to Answer the Public. Let me show you. So if we go to the Keyword Planner and we type in numerology, you can see a lot of other keywords that come up here with low competition, but they have high monthly searches. And then, for example, if we go to Google and type in numerology, you'll just go through the alphabet and get ideas for other keywords. Numerology, angel numbers, books, birth chart, birth date. So you get the idea, you'll go through there. Same thing in YouTube, just type in numerology or whatever keyword you want, and you want to get longer tail keywords. But you can see all the things that people are already searching in YouTube, and it should be pretty easy to rank for these since there's not a lot of competition. So you just go through the entire alphabet and get a list of keywords. You can also go to a website called Answer the Public, and if you just type a keyword here, like numerology, you can see all these different questions that people are asking. You just click on data and you can get the keywords easier. Oh, and speaking of making money online, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation, I'm going to leave a link up above. You can go ahead and click on it and check it out if you'd like. So here's some examples of some good keywords that I found. Angel number 33 meaning, how does numerology work, life path number 1 meaning, and there's a whole bunch of numbers like life path number 2, 3, 4, 5. You can just use all of those. Another one is 111 meaning. And this is actually the channel of the person that I found the case study on. And you can see though that he has not posted in 4 years, and I'm not sure the reason for that. You never know what's going on in someone's life, but what's interesting is he still gets about 500 subscribers a month, and he gets a lot of traffic to his YouTube channel. But these are the types of videos that he created in order to make sales like you saw on that check. So you can go to his channel and see what kinds of keywords he used. And then you want to create a YouTube channel around this niche with a banner. You can take a look at other channels in the numerology niche and see what kind of banners they have and to get some ideas. But you can also outsource it to Fiverr. 99 Designs is another place that you can go to get banners, or you can do it yourself on a website called canva.com. Then you want to write a script around that keyword. So in order to get the script, you're going to go onto Google or YouTube. It's kind of like you're doing a research project. You just come up with a lot of different ideas, put them all together in your own words, or you can outsource it on Fiverr and pay anywhere from $5 to $10 for someone to write a script on a certain topic for you. And then you use voice memos on iPhone and just record the script. And of course you can outsource that as well, but it's really easy to do on your iPhone. Then you're going to find some video stock footage to go with the topic that you're talking about. You can go to pexels.com for free and search videos here. You can go to pixabay.com and search videos there as well. And then one that's paid, if you can't find what you want there, is storyblocks.com. A place that you can go for music is youtube.com/audio library. And you just go in here and search whatever type of music that you want. Then you're going to put the video, music, and audio all together in an editor. A free editor is openshot.org. Also, if you want to automate the process, you can go to nvideo.io with a script and use their script to text. So if you come in here, you just click on wide and you can see all the different templates they have. And there's a place that you will push your script in there and it automatically creates a video with stock footage already there, and you can go back and change the ones that you need to. But I'm going to explain to you how you do it in Camtasia. Okay, so you would come here and just import the media here, and you can see I already have it up here. Just drag down the video, drag down the music. This is my script right here. And let's take a look at, and let's listen to how it sounds. So what is numerology? Numerology is the study of numbers in your life. Numerology is the idea that the universe is a system, and once broken down, we are left with the basic elements, which is numbers. These numbers can then be used to help. Okay, and at this point, I'm just going to split this and delete this part right here. Actually, I want to delete the video part here because I'm going to add this video right here. Us better understand the world and ourselves as individuals. Okay, so you get the idea. You just are going to get video that goes along with what you're saying, and then you just export it to Google Drive or save it on your computer and then upload it to YouTube. You also want to have a winning thumbnail because that's what makes people click on your video. You want to have a high click-through rate. You can outsource it to Fiverr, which is what I do, or you can create it yourself in a software called Thumbnail Blaster. I'll leave a link in the description below the video to a video that I did explaining exactly how to use it, but it'll save you a lot of money, and you can have templates that you store in there, and it makes it really easy to create really good thumbnails. And then after you upload it to YouTube, you want to make sure you SEO optimize it. So you're going to include your keyword in the title 2 to 3 times in the description and also in the tags. Then you can model after the keyword of the #1 search result in YouTube for that keyword by using a free Google Chrome extension called vidIQ. So once you click on that, you can see on the right hand side all the keywords that they have used in their video, and you use the same ones in your video. And then of course in the description of your video you will put a link to one of the clickbank products that you're promoting. So you can see right here, he includes a link to one of the clickbank products, which is this one right here, numerologist.com. Now again, I'm not sure why he's not promoting this actively, because this link does not go anywhere, and it may be that this domain has just expired, I'm not sure. But this is a niche that there's not a lot of competition, and you can see that this definitely does work. He has a lot of views on his videos. Granted, they're a few years ago, but it's a highly searched topic. Now, this is a way you can double or triple your earnings. And besides making money through ClickBank, you can also earn money through Google AdSense, and that's where people are clicking on ads on your videos. And you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to apply for that. And with this channel having over 44,000 subscribers, he definitely has this channel monetized. So once you do that and you have your channel established, then you can use the exact same content and create other channels in different languages. You're going to have a video that you can have someone translate the script into another language. And then of course you would have the thumbnails in a different language. But it's very easy to take these videos and translate them into different languages. I would say Spanish, you could do French, German. There's all kinds of languages that you could recreate these videos around and be able to make a lot more money than just with it being in English. So again, this case study shows that this method does work with these keywords in YouTube. It just takes some time to get established on YouTube, but this is more of a long-term strategy. And then you can use different ClickBank products. You can branch out into other areas that are very similar to numerology, such as this ClickBank product right here, the biorhythm. So it's similar to numerology and manifestation, but you can see that the average sale here is $169. So this would be another good one to promote on the same YouTube channel. So thanks for sticking around until the end of this video. And if you like this video, I think you really like this video coming up. how to make $500 per week from home with no money. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.